Today we discuss about torque equation. So the torque is twisting or turning moment. Twisting or turning moment. Twisting or turning moment. So consider wheel of the DC motor. Consider wheel of the DC motor. Here this one is radius of the wheel. R is the radius of the wheel. The force acting is F. F is the force acting. F is the force acting. So the torque equation is, the torque developed is force into radius. Force into radius. Force into radius. So that is equal to force into distance moved. Force into distance moved. That is equal to force into distance moved is 2 pi r. That is F into 2 pi r. Here power. Another equation is power. The power equal to work done by time. Power equal to work done by time for one revolution. Time for one revolution. So speed of the motor is n in rpm. N in rpm. RPM means revolutions per minute. Revolutions per minute. RPM means revolution per minute. So speed in RPS. Speed in RPS. That is ns divided by 60. Speed in RPM is ns divided by 60. So time for one revolution. Time for one revolution. That equal to 60 by n seconds. 60 by n seconds. So power equal to work done is F into 2 pi r divided by 60 by n. That is equal to F into 2 pi r into 60. N divided by 60. That is equal to power. That is equal to power. So power P equal to what? Power P is equal to F into R into 2 pi n divided by 60. 2 pi n divided by 60. That is equal to, we can replace torque equal to F into R. F into R. Power P is equal to T into 2 pi n divided by 60. T into 2 pi n divided by 60. So torque T is equal to, okay. So power developed in the armature is, back EMF into armature current. Back EMF into armature current. That equal to EB into IA. EB into IA. That is equal to torque into, that is we can represent it as armature torque. We can represent it as armature torque into 2 pi n into 2 pi n divided by 60. Divided by 60. So EB into IA into 60, that is equal to armature torque into 2 pi n. Armature torque Ti is equal to armature torque Ti equal to EBIA into 60 divided by 2 pi n divided by 2 pi n. This is the formula for armature torque. We have another formula for back EMF. Back EMF EB equal to pi ZNP by 60 into A. Pi ZNP by 60 into A. So substitute this EB equal to pi ZNP by 60 into A in above equation. We can get armature torque equal to pi ZNP by 60 into A into IA into 60 divided by 2 pi n divided by 2 pi n. So cancel 60 speed. We can get 1 by 2 pi Z IA into P by A. Pi Z IA into P by A. So 1 by 2 pi is 0.159 pi Z IA into P by A. Pi Z IA into P by A. That is the torque equation of armature. So torque equal to 0.159 pi Z IA into P by A. This is the formula about torque. So see one problem on the torque equation. A series motor having flux of 30 milliwebers, 4-pole DC machine has an armature current of 10 amperes, with lap winding on the number of armature conductors is 1000 conductors. Number of armature conductors is 1000 conductors. Determine the armature torque. Determine the armature torque. So solution. So in this problem, given machine is series machine. First of all, draw the circuit diagram. So what are the given data? So armature current IA equal to 10 amperes. Armature current IA equal to 10 amperes. Flux per pole pi equal to 30 milliwebers. Number of poles P equal to 4 pole. Number of armature conductors Z equal to 1000 conductors. So torque equation that is armature torque Ti equal to 0.159 pi Z IA into P by A. So here in given data we have pi is there, Z is there, IA is there, number of poles is, but we don't have parallel paths. but given which winding they given in lap winding. So in lap winding number of parallel paths equal to of parallel paths equal to number of poles, that is A equal to P. In this problem P equal to 4. Substitute the value in torque equation. T equal to what? 0.159 pi z ia into P by A. 0.159 pi z ia into P by A equal to 0.159. Pi value is 30 milliwebers. Z equal to 1000. Armature current is 10. Number of P parallel paths equal to 4. This equal to 4. You can calculate 0.159 30 into 10 4 minus 3 into 1000 into 10. So we can have 47.7 Newton meter. The armature torque TA equal to 47.7 Newton meter. So next, losses. No, okay. Another problem. A shunt motor has flux per pole of 20 milliwebers and armature current is 20 amperes, wave winding, the number of conductors is 500, number of poles is 6 pole DC shunt machine. Determine armature torque. So solution. Given that, what the machine they given? Shunt machine. What is the machine they given? Shunt machine. This is the shunt machine. You have to given supply. This is the line current, armature current, field current, RSH. No need of this one. So we have formula for torque. Torque equal to what? 0.159 pi z ia into P by A. What is the value of pi? Pi equal to 20 milliwebers. 20 into 10 4 minus 3. Ia equal to what? Armature current. In problem they given 20 amperes. The number of poles P equal to 6. In given which winding they given? Wave winding. In wave winding A equal to 2. So next, number of conductors Z equal to 500. So substitute these values in that one. The torque equation equal to 0.159 pi z ia into P by A. 0.159 pi value is 20 into 10 power minus 3. Z is 500. Ia is 20. P value 6 by 2. We can get 0.159 into 20 into 10 power minus 3. So 500 into 20 into 6 by 2 is, that is 95.4 Newton meter. This is the armature torque. Armature torque equal to 95.4 Newton meter. So all of you concentrate on this equation on torque equation. So next class we discuss about process in the machine and what are the relationships and efficiencies. So thank you for watching. So if you have any doubts, please contact in our group. So thank you.